How to find eToro wallet address. A wallet public address is a unique string of numbers and letters on the blockchain for a specific coin. It's required to send and receive digital assets from other external wallets. Follow my steps. Open the eToro Money app on your mobile device and sign in. Tap the Crypto tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap the crypto wallet you are interested in. On the new screen, tap Receive. The wallet's public address is now displayed. Select Copy and scan the QR code to copy it. That's it. It's a very simple and easy trick. Thanks for watching.